So in this Ticketmaster tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy CFL tickets here on Ticketmaster. So once Ticketmaster is opened up, if you wanted to go watch a CFL game, for example, I want you guys to go to this top bar and press on sports right here. Now, where it says near, New York City obviously won't apply because we have to be in Canada. So, for example, if I wanted to go to a Toronto Argonauts game, I can go ahead and type in Toronto, Ontario. I can't seem to find where Toronto is on here. So, I'll have to go ahead and change my location pretty quick, and I'll get back to you guys once that is done. Okay, so I added my date right here. So as you can tell, Toronto, Ontario. So if I were to go to all sports right here, actually, first off, you can go to all dates, select the date you're looking to do that. So I'll go to all sports right here. We want to watch CFL football, so I'll go to football right here to where it now says football events. So for example, if you wanted to watch the Toronto Argonauts play against the Hamilton Tiger Cats on October 4th, we can use that as an example. So once you're on this page right here, you can then select where exactly you want to buy tickets. So if I were to go to the map view right here, you can kind of see an outline of the map and the sections. You can also go to the tickets number right here and filters for more information. So if I wanted to go ahead and buy these tickets right here, you can show you guys as well sort of a view of your seats. I'll go to the bottom and press on the green next button. Now once you're on this page, it's actually going to bring you over to the checkout page right here where it's going to hold your tickets in place. So this mobile delivery right here, you can go ahead and check the payment as well. So credit card or debit card. You can go ahead and pay with PayPal or Klarna as well. You can add a gift card if you wanted to as well. You can scroll down for ticket insurance as well. And if you keep scrolling down, it'll show you the breakdown of the tickets, the price. And if all looks good to you, go down, press on the green place order button, and proceed with the transaction that way. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can buy CFL tickets here on Ticketmaster. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.